Hello everyone. I'm often asked, how do you know if one needs counseling, or what are the signs one should look out for to seek therapy or counseling? So today we will talk about some signs that helps you find out if you might need counseling or therapy. So the first sign is emotions getting in the way of your functioning. If your emotions are feeling out of control or overwhelming and presenting challenges to your ability to do work, affecting your relationships among friends or family. For example, some people are so overwhelmed with their emotions that sometimes they find it very difficult to even get out of bed in the morning. Some people have an experience that they can keep crying excessively and find it very difficult to stop. Second sign is low self-esteem. You may not like the way you look. Maybe you are unable to trust yourself. You criticize yourself too much. You might feel like you have bad decision-making skills. You might be unable to forgive yourself for some mistake you might have made in the past. These, in turn, may lead to many other issues. These emotions can manifest themselves in the form of physical problems as well. If you are finding yourself in a vicious cycle of negativity, a counselor or therapist may help you with the proper resources and support. Then there is transition. If you are going through any kind of transition, like marriage, new job, moving to another city, having a baby, death, breakup, or divorce, at times, transitions can trigger anxiety, and seeking counseling can give you significant help in navigating through the transition. Then comes dependency on substances. When you are using substances like alcohol, cigarettes, drugs, food, etc. to cope with challenges, to manage your emotions. If you are dependent on such substances as a means to handle your emotions, you can benefit from therapy. The fifth sign is physical symptoms. Illnesses that you can't explain or illnesses that just won't go away, stomach aches, headaches, etc. These might have an emotional aspect to them. You can seek solution in therapy. You should also look out for if you are suicidal, if you are having thoughts of harming yourself, if you find yourself planning to harm yourself or others. You definitely need to seek out for help. Also, if you have a persistent problem that you have tried over and over to overcome, but nothing you tried has worked so far, you can seek counseling. One more sign is that sometimes you think you are fine, but everyone around you seems to think you need therapy or help. This is a good sign that you should definitely try counseling. At times, we might be aware of our issues, but somehow are unable to acknowledge that we have a problem. Sometimes, we might completely not be able to see that we have a problem. Therapists are specialists in the change process, and they are trained and has proper resources that can help you with the support that you need. I hope this video was helpful. Please write to us on the comments below. Thank you.